In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to half double crochet. At this point, you should have already learned how to make a foundation chain. If you haven't, no worries. I made a complete tutorial on that. So go back, watch that tutorial, make your foundation chain, and then we'll be ready to start a half double crochet. To start a row of half double crochet, we're going to count over 3 chains from our hook, and the loop on your hook never counts as a chain. So start with a yarn over, count over 3 chains from your hook, and insert your hook into that chain, catching just 1 loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, and they should be able to move freely on your hook, just like so. Next, we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook, and that's a half double crochet stitch. Let's try that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, just grabbing one of those strands. Yarn over and draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook. And that's it. So yarn over, insert your hook into that next chain, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's all there is to a half double crochet. The more you do it, the more fluid your stitches will become. So I encourage you to keep practicing this half double crochet stitch across your entire foundation chain. So if you'd like, go ahead, pause here, and meet back up with me once you get to the end of your foundation chain and we can start row 2 together. I'm almost at the end of this row. I'm going into my last chain, and I've just completed my last half double crochet of the row. We can now turn our work and start row 2. To start off a half double crochet row, I typically start with 2 chains, and these 2 chains does not count as a stitch, but your pattern will tell you how many chains and if it does count as a stitch or not. Since for me, this isn't counting as a stitch, I'm going to start by crocheting into the first stitch of this row. So yarn over, insert your hook into that first stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's it. You've just learned how to half double crochet. And I will say the half double crochet stitch is probably my favorite, and it's also featured in a lot of my patterns.